If your screen-addicted child can't focus on anything for longer than 2 minutes, and you've tried every strategy to rebuild their concentration without success, there's a simple 10-minute daily practice that systematically restores their ability to sustain attention. Most parents expect too much too fast or give up before the compound effect kicks in, not understanding that concentration rebuilds through consistent short practices rather than occasional long efforts. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact 10-minute rule that takes children from scattered to focused in just 3 weeks. The 10-minute rule is simple. Every day, your child engages in one focused activity for exactly 10 minutes. No more, no less. 10 minutes is short enough that a damaged attention system can handle it without overwhelming frustration, but long enough to begin rebuilding neural pathways for sustained focus. The key is choosing the right type of activity. You need something engaging enough to capture interest, but not so stimulating that it mimics screen-level dopamine. Good options include drawing or coloring with detailed pictures, building with blocks or Legos, puzzles appropriate for their skill level, or Play-Doh creation. The activity should require attention but not be frustrating. Here's what makes this work neurologically. Screen addiction has damaged your child's ability to sustain attention by training their brain to expect constant stimulation changes every 2 to 3 seconds. The 10-minute daily practice retrains their attention system to maintain focus on slower-paced activities. Each day, their brain gets slightly better at sustaining concentration. Use a visible timer so your child knows the practice has a clear endpoint. Say something like, "We're going to focus on building for 10 minutes together." The timer removes the uncertainty that creates anxiety for children with damaged attention spans. They can handle 10 minutes when they know exactly when it ends. Here's your actionable insight. Implement the 10-minute rule at the same time every day to create a neural habit. Morning works best for most families when children's brains are fresh and cortisol levels support focus. Consistency and timing is more important than perfection in execution. If your child can only manage 7 minutes today, that's fine. Tomorrow, try for 8 minutes. The compound effect comes from daily practice, not perfect performance. During the 10 minutes, stay nearby and engaged. You might do your own focused activity parallel to theirs, or participate directly in their activity. Your regulated presence helps their nervous system maintain the focus state. Screen-addicted children often need external regulation support until their internal regulation capacity rebuilds. Week 1 typically shows minimal visible improvement. Your child might resist the practice, complain it's boring, or struggle to maintain even 10 minutes of focus. This is normal. Their attention system is beginning to repair at the cellular level, even when behavior doesn't reflect it yet. Week 2 brings noticeable changes. Your child stops resisting the 10-minute practice and might even look forward to it. They complete the full 10 minutes with less struggle. Some days they want to continue past 10 minutes, which you can allow but keep it under 20 minutes to prevent overwhelming their recovering system. Week 3 demonstrates genuine concentration recovery. Your child naturally focuses for 15-20 minutes on preferred activities outside the formal practice. They start finishing projects they begin, play with toys in sustained ways, and show the beginning of flow states where they lose track of time while absorbed in activity. By week 4, the 10-minute formal practice becomes unnecessary because your child has regained natural concentration capacity. They can focus for age-appropriate periods without external structure. A 5-year-old sustains 15 to 25 minutes on challenging tasks. A 7-year-old manages 25 to 35 minutes of focused attention. The rule works because it's achievable. 10 minutes doesn't feel impossible to a child with severely damaged attention, so they don't resist the practice as intensely as they would a 30-minute requirement. The daily consistency creates neurological changes that compound over time, rebuilding pathways that screen addiction suppressed. Most parents want faster results and try to extend the practice too quickly. This creates frustration and abandonment. The magic is in the modest, consistent, daily practice that slowly strengthens attention capacity without overwhelming the damaged system. The 10-minute rule also gives you concrete progress markers. Each week, you can measure whether your child completes the practice more easily, resists less, or shows better focus. This prevents the discouragement that comes from comparing your recovering child to never-addicted peers. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with relating to your kid's obsession with screens. Click the link or check my bio to discover an ebook that can give you all the skills that you need to stop your child's screen addiction.